Laing Sugbuano usab magkaposo ang mitap sa Licensure Board Examination alang sa mga Chemist. Ato siyang ilailahon pinaginining report ni Nico Serino.
Sa rating nga 91.2, mitap sa October 2018 Chemist Board Exam si Aaron Gabriel Uy. Kagabi ilang gi-release sa Professional Regulations Commission ang resulta sa maong board exam. Alang sa graduate sa University of San Carlos, hilabihan ang iyang kalipay sa maong balita. Aminado siya nga nangandam gyud pag-ayo alang sa board exam apan sa adlaw sa eksaminasyon naglisod sab siya niini.
I didn't really specifically aim for the top 1, top 10 maybe, pero I was not aiming directly for the top.
So how was it like sa exam?
Okay ra?
It's definitely harder than expected.
Ni atong high school, mahiligo na si Aaron sa chemistry, maong naagni ning maong kurso. Gani gibutyag sa iyang inahan, elementarya pa lang daw nahiligan na niini ang periodic table of elements.
It's hard to say why I love chemistry. Kay there's too much of it that there's too much in it that I love that I can't put into words. Kay my thoughts sometimes run faster than my mouth, so it's hard to define. Pero if I had to sum it up, kay
happy and humbled gyud kay it's actually grasya gyud siya sa God bitaw. God will just orchestrate everything to give it to him.
Sa iyang pagpasar, plano niya nga mangita og trabaho o bakaha mo pursue og further studies. Sa pangutana kung unsa ang sikreto sa iyang kalampusan,
there is no secret to topping the board. Kay first off, you have to take the exam for what you love. Kay if you're not passionate about that, it's going to be difficult for you. Second, you have to start early. It takes time, it takes effort, and it takes a lot of prayer. It takes so much prayer. I was literally drowning in prayer by the time of the exam.
Nico Sereno, Balitang Bisdak.